Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The Chainlink chart continues to be in this pattern unchanged. We've seen, however, yesterday potentially the start of the small wave 4 that we talked about, that we've been watching for. So we're going to take a look at the microstructure in this video and take a look at the micro wave 4, what the support levels are and what the next target levels are to the upside. For anybody who's new on the channel, we have been watching for the last few months the unfolding of a 5-wave pattern to the upside here, an impulse that started in June. The market completed a wave 1 to the upside, which topped in July, a wave 2 to the downside, which bottomed in September, a wave 3 to the upside, which probably topped in November, and then a wave 4 to the downside might have completed in the primary scenario in January. And this now could be the 5th wave to the upside. In the 5th wave, I'd like to see primarily one more high. So there is, you could say there is a primary and an alternative scenario on the larger time frame and also on the smaller time frame. Here on the larger time frame, I see this as 1, 2, 3, wave 4 complete and wave 5 to the upside unfolding. Whereas in an alternative, we could say that this was 1, 2, 3, and then something like a wave down, a high B wave. We're now coming down in the C wave, would complete the wave 4 here, yeah, just a little bit lower because we never really maxed out this support region, and then we would break higher in a wave 5 later. This would be my alternative, but this alternative would only become relevant with a sustained break below micro support at $15.60. So I hope that's clear. These are my two scenarios. There's of course a bullish one and a bearish one. So in the primary one, which is the bullish one, well, you could say bullish. It doesn't really make a great difference. They're both bullish overall, but until main support levels are breaking. But in the primary scenario, I already assume we are in the 5th wave and it just needs one squiggle higher. Whereas if we don't get that one more move up, I have to assume wave 4 never finished. And it formed a massively, a massive corrective wave 4. Nothing I'm watching primarily. Okay, but let's go to the smaller time frame then, because here it's all about, okay, are we in this 5th wave and what is micro support? So as I said, if we dive into our primary scenario, the idea is that this was a wave 1 of wave 5 after wave 4 bottomed here on the 8th of January. This was a wave 2 into the January lows. Yeah, this was a wave 3, might have indeed topped exactly here around that $19.60 level. Pretty much where, you know, it should have finished. It moved a little higher than the first ideal target, but it's not overextended. Then it could have started the wave 4 now. That's what I'm watching for. And wave 5 is still the last wave I'd like to see here. The wave 4 ideally dips a little lower. It should develop a healthy wave 4 in an ideal world. Support is between $15.63 and $18.04. As long as we're holding the $15.62 level, 63 level, I'm going to watch for one more high in wave 5, targeting $21 plus, possibly rather 24, which is the 2.618 extension there. And really diving into the microstructure. So basically, I'm offering support here. I'm just watching if the price is reacting to it. We've already seen a reaction to the 23.6 FIB level, the first level I communicated. So it's no surprise that we've seen a small reaction there. But this is an ideal target for an A wave in a wave 4. So I'm watching if now wave B is unfolding. I'm watching this as wave 4, as long as the price now doesn't get a break above $19.82, because that would indicate an extension still of wave 3. This year was not yet all of wave 4, but it could have been the A wave of wave 4. Now the B wave and then a C wave. I'm not giving I'm not giving you a target for wave B. Just please note that the standard resistance range for wave B is, and it doesn't need to be an aggressive B wave, but standard resistance typically starts at the 38.2. It's between $18.68 and $19.40. I'd like to see, if possible, a little bit more of a healthy wave B before we come down in wave C. If we go down more directly now, it might be that this was not wave B yet, but also bear in mind a B wave is a 3-wave move, so it will have its ups and downs. But yeah, I'll take that off the chart because there is not really a target for a B wave, especially not on a small time frame like that. Bottom line is it would be a corrective relief rally after an initial sell-off yesterday, which could just mark the start of this wave 4, then a bit of a B wave rally, staying below the last high, and then a C wave down, possibly targeting around about $17 would be ideal. So that's what I'm watching on the Link chart at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.